Hello children, today we are going to learn about informal letter. There are two types of letter, informal and formal letter. Formal letter are official letters and informal letter are personal letters which we are writing to our relatives or friends. What is an informal letter? An informal letter is a letter that is written in a personal fashion. You can write an informal English letters to your relatives or friends, but also to other people with whom you have a personal or informal way of interacting. This can also be with business partners that address you in a personal and friendly manner. In a lot of countries, there are, of course, different ways of doing this. Here only the English and the American way is addressed. So, in formal letters, we are writing to our relatives or friends or to the people whom we are thinking that we are having personal relationship with them. Now, what elements does the letter include? Address, date, opening, text or body or content, closing or end, signature. Text or body or content. When writing an informal letter in English, you should use personal or friendly language. However, it remains important to adjust your use of language to the person you are writing to. A good way of assessing how you should write is thinking about how you would interact with each other in real life. It means that we have to use the language the people are using while talking in real life. Another thing, the English and the Americans are fond of exchanging some social niceties. So they like asking a few polite questions. They are in general not so direct as most Europeans. In the first paragraph of your body, you state your reason of writing, why you are writing the letter to him, what is the reason. In the second and following paragraphs, you say what you have promised to say in the first paragraph, what you have promised that you will include in your second paragraph. And in the final paragraph, you make some concluding remarks. You will give your conclusion. What do you think? Your opinions. Opening of an informal letter in English. How to address someone in English. This is fairly straightforward. It is usually not of the same importance as with the business or formal letter, but it still is relevant. There are a few things that you should know about how to address someone properly in an informal letter. Like you can use dear friend, dear mom, dear grandpa. So you must know how you will address the person. First of all, in England, there is not behind Mr. But in American letters, there is. Secondly, you should know that women are addressed with Mrs. when they are married and with Miss when they are not. Examples of how to open an informal letter in English. This heavily depends on how well you know the person in question. Of course, this totally depends upon how well we know the person. You should carefully consider your relationship with the person concerned. You could simply say, Hi Richard, but it is always safer to just say, Dear Richard, Dear Rahul, Dear Nana, and never forget to put the comma. Opening sentences for an informal letter in English. Examples of opening sentences. How we will open the letter, or what are the opening sentences we will write in an informal letter. Opening sentences of an informal letter should be casual, not so stiff as in business letters. For examples of more formal opening sentences, you should check out how are you? How have you been? How is life treating you? How are the kids? I hope you are doing well. I hope you, Mike, and the kids are having a great time in. So, in this way, you can start the letter by these sentences like, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are in a good spirit. In this way, you will start your letter. You will ask about the person's health. Ending an informal letter in English. Examples of closing sentences. How to end an informal letter in English. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I can't wait to see you soon. I can't wait to hear from you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I hope to be hearing from you soon. See you soon. Send my love to. Pay my regards. Give my regards. I hope you are doing well. In this way, you are going to end your informal letter. You can use these sentences. Signature. Here you can be pretty free in your choice of ending your letter. It means you are free that you can choose how to end the letter. Here are some examples of a signature for an informal letter in English. Best wishes, kind regards, best regards, lots of love, yours friend. In this way, you can write the ending of the letter. Marking scheme of question on informal letter. Format. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject or heading, salutation, complimentary clause. It carries 1 mark. Content 3 marks. Expression, grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling coherence, and relevance of ideas and style. Both carries 1 marks. Then total of 6 marks. Topics for informal letter. You can practice these topics. So here is a list: inviting a friend for your birthday party, advising a friend on any issue, apologizing to a friend for any mistake you have done, thanking a friend for spending holiday together, reminding a friend some assignment or something you can, congratulating a friend for achieving something, any prize or being topper, requesting for help, admitting a mistake. I hope informal letter is clear to you all. Thank you.